I was gifted this item in exchange for my review. This remote control car is very fun. This is a stunt car. The front actually rotates. It can rock on its back and drive. It has a very fun pattern. You might recognize a certain superhero that this looks like. The wheels are sort of see-through, which is very, very fun. And unique to this car is that it is a rechargeable. Now, I've actually never seen a rechargeable remote control car before, so that is pretty incredible because you don't have to stick regular AA batteries in it. So that is awesome. It just goes right back here. It comes with the charger. That is so, so fantastic. This is the little remote control. This car does lots of tricks without much skill. So I'm going to show you now what it looks like when it is driving. And I was gifted this item in exchange for my review.